Hi guys, in this video I'll be talking about what is fine tuning exactly. See, whenever you are working in the field of generative AI, so I think you have heard of this name called fine tuning. So what is fine tuning? First of all, I will give you the idea and why fine tuning is required. I will also talk about that. See, fine tuning is nothing but see fine tuning. Okay, fine tuning. It's a process. Okay, process of taking a pre-trained model like GPT, okay, then Llama, Mistral, and so on, and adapting, okay, adapting it to a specific task, spe- specific task or dataset by continuing the training process on new data. Okay, so that means what you are doing here, you are tracking a pre-trained model, okay, and you are training that pre-trained model on a specific dataset for a specific task. Let's say I have taken a model called llama, okay, let's say llama 2, I'm considering llama 2. So now let's say I have very specific data. This is, let's say, my private data. Let's say I want to train for a what I can do, let's say I want to train for a language translation. Okay, so what I will do, I'll take that data and I will take a pre-trained model like llama 2. On top of that, I'll just try to do the fine tuning process. That means I will do some training. Okay, I'll do some training. I'll just I will adjust some weights. Okay, and this is called actually fine tuning. That means your model already knows about lots of things, right? And what you are doing, you are uh, giving some more information to the model, okay, by fine tuning that particular model. Okay, so this is called actually fine tuning. I hope you got it right. So see why this fine tune is required, because what happens, let's say whenever I have a specific like private data, and if I want to use my LLM, because if you go to the LLM and if you are asking anything anything in specific to your private, let's say, information, it will not able to give you the answer, right? So definitely for this you have to fine tune, these are the model. And for fine tuning, these are the model we use different approach, because at the end LLM is like very huge model. Okay, if you see, if I'm talking about llama, okay, llama, okay, llama is having different model. Let's say llama 2 is there, 3 is there. Okay, and if you see the parameter size, you will see like llama 70 billion parameter model is also available. Okay, that's how actually different kinds of models are available. And if you want to load this model to your machine, so you should have good configuration machine, at least some good GPU configuration you have, some RAM configuration you have, then you will be able to load this particular model in your system. But we don't have this kinds of system, so in this case actually we can use some cloud provider like Google Colab we can use. Okay, Colab we can use. Then we have some other platform like Paper Space is there. Okay, Paper Space is there. Then we have Data Crunch is there. Okay, Data Crunch is there. So that's how we are having different platform there. You can purchase a machine and you can load, these are the model. But again, if you see fine tuning, these are the model is not an easy task, because again you have lots of parameter. So for this we use some parameter efficient fine tuning process. We also call it as PFT. Okay, PEFT. So that means parameter efficient fine tuning. So for this we use some technique like LoRa. Okay, LoRa or QLoRa. So these are some, actually, let's say, library we use for the parameter efficient fine tuning. That means at the end it performs something called quantization. Okay, quantizations operations. That means it will quantize your model. Instead of loading the very big model, it will perform the quantization, then it will load the model. Okay, I will more discuss about it, what is like PFT, what is KLoRa and QLoRa. Even I will also show you one practical demo of the fine tuning, okay, how it can be done. We'll try to pick a LLM and there I will show you the entire fine tuning process, guys. Okay, so yes, this is the fine tuning. I hope you got it. Okay, now in the next video we'll try to understand what is the difference between fine tuning and RAG, because there is another concept called RAG. With the help of RAG also we can also connect our custom data to the LLM. Okay, so yes, let's try to see the difference between fine tuning and RAG.